Alright guys, I finally found the model number of the system sensor smoke detector, which is close to the hot water heater. I have the box with me, and here's the smoke detector. Yep, it just blinked. And right in the box, there's the model number. It's a 2-wire smoke detector. It's a system sensor 2WT-B. Yep. It's one of these i3 series. Installation ease, intelligence, and instant inspection. But while this smoke detector is an independent one, since it's with the burglar alarm that we have, but the other two kids' smoke detectors, they're just water pipes. The other two smoke detectors, which are the kids, they're for the house. But yeah, if the house is on fire, the kids will go off. If the hot water, if there's something wrong with the hot water heater or the power right here, if it starts smoking, this smoke detector will go, the system sensor will go off and it will notify by the burglar alarm. Yep. It's a 2WT-B made by system sensor. Yeah, my dad gave me the box. Yep, there it is. Yeah, it blinked. Okay.